I'm Jeff, and this is Mark, and we're the founders of Prestige Paints.
Prestige Paints is an idea we had while hanging out with some Amazon.com buyers, and one of them asked us to solve a riddle on how to sell paints on Amazon.com.
So obviously we were crazy enough to think we could make it happen. Originally we thought of partnering with one of the big paint brands, you know, Behr, Valspar, Sherwin-Williams, and try to get them to sell on Amazon.
During a 2-year span, we met with every key player in the paint industry. We learned the big paint brands are more focused on getting people into a store rather than finishing the purchase on Amazon.com. So we decided then and there that we wanted to start our own paint brand.
To launch Prestige Paints, we teamed with one of the leading paint manufacturers in the country. It was important for us to be able to put our name on something that we could be proud of.
So that's a little about our history. Here's the future of buying paint.
We're going to make buying paint online the industry standard, at least our industry standard. No more color swatches, no sample paint cans, no more long, frustrating paint picking sessions. Selecting colors for a room will be done simply with a touch of your phone. Our app is changing the game.
Prestige Color Pick allows you to customize your walls without ever having to leave your home. It's really quite simple. You take the picture, use our color wheel to pick your color, drop the color on the wall, and you're ready to buy paint.
So you're right, that is simple. So once you click to buy the paint from Amazon, the order drops into our warehouse, we mix the paint, we ship the paint. In just 2 days, that paint's on your doorstep. No going to the store, no more hassles. So that's us. We're Prestige Paints. Now here's where you come in.
We need you to download our Prestige Paints Color Pick app. And if you like it, give us 5 stars and tell all your friends about this app.
And if they don't like it, don't tell anybody.
So we need everyone's help to back this campaign. That's why we came up with what we feel is a creative idea for a pledge reward.
So we're creating a personalized color collection just for our Kickstarter backers.
For just a $100 pledge, you will be able to pick a color, name that color, and will receive a customized designed label for you that is unique to your inspiration for the color. A photo and a short description will go right on the label.
Hi, I'm Ashley and I'm a horse lover. I wanted to bring a piece of my personal life into my office, so I named my paint color Taxi after my horse.
Hi, I'm Dan. I named my color Eliza D after my daughter. I couldn't be a more proud dad.
Hi, my name is Matt. I love Major League Baseball and I love brewing beer. That's why I named my color Brew Crew.
Hello, my name is Laura Jacobs Welch. I am owner of Brick Street Market here in downtown Delavan, Wisconsin. I named my color Buttercream Yellow for the cheeses of Wisconsin.
The paint industry is ready for a mix-up, and we feel like we're honestly ready to change the way people buy paint. Please help us reach our goal.